Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss which are the common mistake that most of the advertisers do while running Facebook ads for the first time. The first mistake is wrong selection of campaign objective. Most of the advertisers select traffic campaign objective when their goal is to receive lots of inquiry on messages. Many of the advertisers select traffic campaign as the objective when their goal is to sell products and services from their website. Instead, they should select sales as the campaign objective, because in traffic campaign meta algorithm will show their ads to those audiences or those people who are having intent of exploring things but not purchasing. It means they don't have purchase intention. But whereas if they select sales campaign objective for selling product and services from their website, then meta algorithm will show their ads to those users who are having purchase intent. The second common mistake that most of the advertisers do is they change their campaign too frequently. It means they don't wait for campaign to exit the learning phase and they simply change and create a new campaign. This should not be done. We should run a campaign for next 7 to 15 days and wait for the result and wait for the campaign to exit the learning phase first. Don't over optimize your campaign. It means don't add too many targeting filters in detailed targeting, else meta algorithm will get confused which is the right audience. So let meta decide which kind of people are engaging with your ad creative, so meta will get an idea which is the right audience for your campaign. So don't add too many targeting filters in the audience, whether it is demographic based targeting or interest based targeting or behavior based targeting. Just use one or two targeting filters. The another most common mistake is using weak ad creatives. Don't use weak ad creative. Create some good and attractive ad creatives and create ad campaign with multiple ad set or single ad set with multiple ad creatives. So meta have opportunity to showcase that ad creative to the users, which is getting higher engagement. The another mistake is meta pixel is not configured properly. It means it is not capturing events, or if it is capturing events, then deduplication is not done properly. You should not expect instant profitability from your campaign. Many businesses expect instant profitability after spending 500 or 2000 bucks on their ad campaign. This is not the right way. Let meta understand which is the right audience for your business, who can be converted easily, and that the meta ad campaign exit the learning phase first. Don't ignore your landing page. It is the foundation of the sales ad campaign. You should add trust signals in your landing page. You should work upon the speed of your landing page. It should be fast loading page. You can also keep content quite clear. So basically these are the most common mistakes that most of the advertisers commit when they are running Facebook ads for the first time. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. You can also download Digital Bikana app for learning digital marketing. Link in the video description. Thank you.